Thanks for coming. Glad to see you all here. Okay, who'd like to start tonight?
I'll go. So I had a leak under the kitchen sink. In a panic, I texted 3 neighbors. Called 4 different plumbers. One told me next week, one completely ghosted me. For 2, I couldn't leave a message. So I went with towels and a bucket under my sink. And it's still leaking.
I spent 6 hours this week writing estimates that I may not get and took 2 sales calls while I was up on a ladder.
And I'm still waiting to get paid from 3 jobs I did months ago.
I almost lost a home sale over what should have been a basic repair job. The expensive dishwasher was broken, and I couldn't get an appliance tech to come out.
Hey, guys. So sorry I'm late.
George, you okay?
I'm great. I just found the solution to all of our problems. It's called Homeowners Hub.
Homeowners what?
Never heard of it.
What's that?
After you sign up, whenever you need help for your home, you just text them. Real people handle everything.
You approve the work, and they send the right pro to your door. No chasing, no waiting, no guessing. It just gets done, and you don't pay in full until you're happy.
That's it? All I need to do is send one text about my leaking sink?
They'll send me actual jobs, not just leads to chase.
And someone's accountable for the work?
Yeah, all of it.
Welcome back. So, anyone have any issues they want to talk about?
Well, I joined Homeowners Hub, and my kitchen sink is already fixed. Now I know who to reach out to for all my home repairs and projects.
I signed up with Homeowners Hub. Work is coming in, cash flow is good, and I'm not competing with 5 other guys for the same job.
Same here. My closings are moving smoothly. And I even gifted a 1-year subscription to my newest buyer.
Well then, who wants to go grab a pizza?